Subscribe to get smart, and to watch the latest videos first, hit the bell icon and you will be notified about the new videos updates instantly.
What's up guys, Rick here, welcome to our channel Get Smart. We are helping you to master your technology. This video is about, when you try to install Windows 10 or any other Windows version and you receive an error message. Windows cannot be installed to this disk. The selected disk is of the GPT partition style. Then you need to watch this video till the end. And I am pretty much sure that your problem will be solved surely. So, let's get started. If you receive the GPT error during the Windows installation, it's because your computer is booted in legacy BIOS mode, but your hard drive is not configured for legacy BIOS mode. You have two options when you get that error message. Option 1. Boot from the Windows 10 USB or DVD installation media in UEFI mode, so you can use the GPT partition style. This option lets you keep the existing partition style and lets you use the PC's UEFI firmware features. Option 2. Delete all partitions on the hard drive, so you can use the MBR partition style. In other words, you convert GPT disk to MBR disk. This option is not recommended because then you will not be able to use the PC's UEFI firmware features. I will go with the first option in this video. And for this you need to turn off your PC and you need to create a bootable USB drive. It's pretty easy, just follow me, and do as I do. Go to Google search and type Rufus. And hit enter. Click on the FIS Write one. Scroll down. And download the Rufus 3.1. Open the downloaded file and run it. No installation is necessary. The user interface of Rufus is pretty simple. Rufus is a utility that helps format and create bootable USB flash drives. To complete the process, you'll need a Windows or Mac OS computer connected to the internet. And on a Windows computer, you must have administrator privileges. A flash drive with at least 4 GB of space. During this process, any data currently on your flash drive will be deleted. Make sure to back up your flash drive's data to another storage location before proceeding. And last but not the least, you will have to download a Windows image, a .iso file containing all the files needed to install Windows. From the drop-down menu, select U partition scheme. I'm going to select the GPT. And then select UEFI. Do not change anything in format option. And click on Start button. You will get the warning about any data on your pen drive will be erased. So be careful to back up any important data before clicking the OK button. This process might take some time, so I am fast forwarding it. The process is completed. Now insert this bootable USB into your PC and select the bootable 𝑬𝑹𝑰 USB drive option. And select the version of your Windows. Accept the term and condition. Click on Custom Windows Installation. And you can see now, this time you not receive any GPT error. And you can choose any partition to delete, format or new. So hit next and you are set to install the fresh copy of Windows on your PC. Before I end this video, if you want something specific to show in my next video, just say in the comment section below. If you found this video entertaining and enjoyable, give me a favor by clicking that like button, subscribe, if you haven't already. I'll catch you all in the next episode of Get Smart. Peace.